So here we go, the box of this rebounder that I've been sent. It's a cheaper rebounder, and they do at Kensone, Kensone, brag that they are, or not brag, but advertise that they offer quality rebounders at cheaper prices. The one thing I'd say about that is, and one downside is that it's coming, probably because it's cheaper prices, it's coming in parts and you're going to have to assemble it yourself. I'm just going to get rid of, I don't want to damage the box, because if I'm sending it back, I don't think it's good enough. Now let's have a look and see. Maybe it's just that it's, no, there's definitely parts. Let me take them out of the box anyway. Oops, sorry for the noise. There we go. Let's see what we've got. Can you see what I've got? Okay, let me bring it here. Yeah, you have a fair shot there of it. Let's see if I bend that down just a little bit more. So the camera is looking more down here. There we go. So it comes with a book, an assembly book. Oh, okay. Maybe that's what the noise is. It's got a bar. So it's a foldable rebounder. It's not all in parts. So my first impression was not right. And they've got guidelines and how to put it up. So I'm going to have a look at this. There are assembly points in it. There seems to be a bar with it, but let's leave that. Part of the bar, part of the bar, part of the bar, part of the bar. Hoping that's not the feet of the rebounder. I actually think that's not part of the bar. That's the feet of the rebounder. So let's see if we can take it out. There's another bar in here as well. Comes in a plastic bag. It is definitely a folding rebounder. Definitely bungee straps. I'm going to compare it with the FitBounce Pro later, because to see does it do what it says on its tin, offer you as an effective rebounder at a cheaper price. So first things first, we've got to get this up. So you got to fold it out. You got to twist it open, and they have got elastic bands on here. I take it that's just for, I don't know what it's for. No, I think they want you to leave the bands on to keep this mat down. Either or. I'm going to put that back in there because there is a little slot for it. I'll check that to see if that's traveling. I'll stick it back in there. No, it's not staying back in there. So I'm going to unfold it anyway. So it should be that when you click it over, and it will be a bit stiff, that it does clip into place. That is very stiff, guys. I can't see how that's going to work. Now, that is common. It's common to be a bit stiff when you first open it. And it does say, like most other rebounders, use 2 people to help you get it down. There's only me here today, but that's not going to give. I don't know what to do with that until the next video. So one of the first things well, it did say use 2 people. So come back to you with the next.